Hello, today we will guide you through how to change candle color in Exness Mobile App. If you want to personalize your chart view and make it easier to read, changing candle colors in the Exness Mobile App is a quick and helpful adjustment. This can be especially useful if you prefer certain color combinations for rising and falling candles, or if you simply want a chart style that feels clearer to you during trading. To begin, open the Exness app on your mobile device. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can access the main navigation without interruptions. Once you're inside the app, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap on Trade. This will take you to the trading section where you can view available instruments and open chart-related options. From there, tap on a sample symbol. In other words, choose the trading instrument or market pair you want to open. This brings you into the chart area for that symbol, which is where the candle display settings can be adjusted. If you use multiple instruments, keep in mind that chart customization may be easier to review once you're inside an active chart. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap on Settings. This area contains the chart configuration options, including the visual appearance of candles and other chart elements. If your screen looks slightly different, just look for the Settings icon near the chart controls. Once the Settings menu opens, tap on Colors. This is where the app lets you customize how the chart appears visually. You should now see the available color choices related to the chart display, including the candle colors. Now select the sample colors you want to use. Choose the color options that best match your preference. For example, many users like to set one color for bullish candles and another for bearish candles, so price movement is easier to recognize at a glance. Pick the combination that feels most comfortable and readable for you. After selecting your preferred colors, take a moment to look at the chart and confirm that the new candle colors are easy to see. A clear chart can help reduce confusion and make analysis faster, especially when you check price action regularly. That's all it takes to change candle colors in the Exness mobile app. Once you've updated the chart to your liking, you can continue trading with a setup that feels more personalized and easier to follow.